Glass skull that I put the fire pit because I thought I don't know. Actually, just with a glass skull, we put in the fire pit like before how I it. Something better than you drive it.
Yeah, we can just zip over this back.
Oh yeah. The whole bumper's just getting zip tied back on.
Okay, I kept some of them. Do you have another pair of side cutters?
No. I think there's a Subaru somewhere. Could we pair? Well, I guess one of the tools that might make it a little easier. Just pull the pin out like normal.
Thank you. Oh, dude, this is sick. That was easier than fucking was doing.
This is some needing to be pulled out of by a tree kind of deal. You can't like slide hammer this shit. That's the frame.
So are we hooking it right to here?
Yep, just right around there, just fucking send her.
What the fuck are we waiting for?
My door works now, so that's good. That's better than before. So I'll zip tie the exhaust up again and put a bumper on it. I'll probably go to a scrapyard.
That would be fun to hit with the sledgehammer.
Yeah, I'll have to feed that back in. What? Oh yeah, watch out for this. Alright. Projectiles might happen. That's better than nothing, I guess. Alright.
Gonna keep the weather out.
Silicone.
Yeah, that. Do it again.
There we go. There you go. Almost all the time. This is how you fix cars. It's fucking magic. Perfectly good, never happened. Yeah, it's still fucked. Alright, we're gonna fix up my exhaust because when I got hit by that fucking dickhead, I don't know, his name's like Alec or something, fucking asshole. They ripped out my exhaust hanger, so I'm gonna fix her up. Cheapest way to fix an exhaust leak. And then some easy steps. Oh yeah. Just like that. A little bit of muffler cement. Stuff is amazing and will save your life on multiple occasions. Oh, I put it on the wrong side. Whoops. Then you just mush it on like that. Well, something like that. Yeah, that's beautiful. You gotta do it like a 3D printer and just make like a skeleton of it and then just completely fill as much as you can. Then you just take your hand, give her a good swipe. Alright, look at this, completely fucked, man. Like, it's ugly, disgusting. Look at this hideous thing. But in a few short sprays, it doesn't work. A few short sprays, she's covered up and professional body work. I charge $900 an hour. cover it up, she's mad. Oh, there we go.
And then you shake the can until it stops rattling.
Oh, buddy, going a little thick.
Oh yeah, always
Just like
get
the
your
women I like.
thick coat.
Shout out there to all the ladies. The only problem is fat bitches can't fit the Miata, so that's why I got this hauler for them, them hunkers. How it's supposed to line up to? Should it be? Is that a nene? You know, you give it the whip, and then I don't know what a nene is. I'm back in the like Stoja Boy days. That's what I'm from. Every day,